your medial hand and literally just place your thumb along the long axis of the foot and your fingers will just fall around the plantar surface of the foot. Your lateral hand, have your thumb going along the fourth ray and the hands just rotates around the foot. Then, it's almost, those of you who are keen golfers, it's not dissimilar from a golfing position. You'll see I can swing right through here. So once you're in position, then what we're going to do to isolate the tissues between the medial and lateral beam is a cycling action. So imagine the pedals on a bike rotating in the sagittal plane. It's a very subtle movement, but my hands are literally doing this. They're not doing this. It's in the sagittal plane, the vertical sagittal plane. We want to release the tissues by rotating the beams against each other. On a living human being, call you living, have a seat over here, Craig, and what this looks like. So you've got a decent sized hoof here, medial hand on the medial beam, lateral hand on the lateral beam. Have your thumbs, when we do the mid-tarsal area, the thumbs will be sitting on the mid-tarsal joints, and then what we're going to do is 3 rotations clockwise, and then 3 rotations counterclockwise. You'll see the foot moving within my hand, but if you see the foot swinging from side to side, it means you're not concentrating in the sagittal plane. So I'm here, and rotate clockwise, then counterclockwise, and then all you need to do is slide your hands down to the base of the metatarsals, and you'll do the same thing. Clockwise, and then counterclockwise. So typically you would do 3 rotations each way, so it's a total of 6 repetitions through this area. When you do this particular technique on your patients, usually they'll ask you to do it for about 20 minutes on each foot, because this does feel absolutely delicious. But I'm not going to do that for you. But that's, it's a very pleasant, almost a massaging type of effect. But the key here is to have firm control of the medial beam against the lateral beam.
I'd like me a candle or something.
I got the water filling in the spa bath. Okay, enough.
Now we're all getting worried.
Yes.
It's awkward now.
I'm going out of the shower.
Dear friend of Taylor's is out of this one, so it's
Correct.
further back.
This isn't now extending distally onto the mid-tarsal. That's it. So you literally, so we would have done talar glide, talar pulsing, talar mobilization, body weight, and now we just bring our hands distal from the talar's position, and it's useful with Craig. You can see the landmarks of flesh wounds right here. So you just come down from there, and it'll be that mid-tarsal area. That's where we start, and then the metatarsals. So just about getting the right contact points for this technique to work effectively. And that's the effect of it.
That's a more rapid tone.
No, it's not rapid.
It's more rapid than the movements we were doing earlier.
Yes. So literally you'll do a mobilization of 1 cycle per second, but it's not a yeah, so it's a, yes. The key here is cycling against the 2 beams in the sagittal plane. Visualize, that's what we're after, and then what could possibly go wrong? Let's find out. Meet new feet.